Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to zoom your Excel sheet. Mastering zoom functions is crucial for efficient spreadsheet management, whether you are reviewing large datasets or focusing on intricate details. We will explore various techniques, from simple slider adjustments to powerful keyboard shortcuts, ensuring you can customize your view with ease. By the end, you will confidently navigate your Excel workbooks at any magnification, enhancing your productivity and data interaction. One of the simplest ways to adjust your view is using the zoom slider in the status bar, found at the bottom right of your screen. Dragging it left or right decreases or increases the magnification. For more precise control, click the zoom percentage next to the slider to open the zoom dialog box. Here, you can select common presets like 75% or 100%, or enter any custom value between 10% and 400% for your sheet. For even faster adjustments, keyboard shortcuts are incredibly useful. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in, or scroll down to zoom out. This method offers immediate visual feedback. Another handy shortcut is pressing Alt, then W, then Q. This sequence directly opens the zoom dialog box, allowing you to quickly type in a specific percentage or choose a preset without navigating through menus. Finally, the View tab on the Excel ribbon provides several dedicated zoom features. You will find a zoom button that opens the familiar dialog box and a 100% button to instantly return to the default view. A particularly powerful option is Zoom to Selection. After highlighting a range of cells, clicking this button will automatically adjust your zoom level so that your selected area perfectly fills the window, making it ideal for detailed analysis of specific data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.